Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, kids. This is your Nair. We are in this video class. We are going to learn arithmetic progression, grade 10 CBSE exercise 5.1. I'll be solving one question from question number 3 and question number 4. After that, you can submit your answers to me on my WhatsApp number. That's my WhatsApp number, and I will correct and I will come back to you. All right, let's get started. Let's see 5.1. Find the following AP. Write the first term and the common difference. Every time, why do I read the question loud? That should be your habit. Okay. First term. Let's look at question number 1. What is given to me? 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3. And learn to write correctly. Okay, make sure that you're writing the question very much correctly onto your notebook and then start solving it. The first term, what is the first term here? The first term here is 3. So I will write A is equal to 3. And what is the common difference? Remember that this particular term is called as A1, A2, A3, A4. D is equal to A2 minus A1. We have done that in the previous video. Okay. So what is A2? 1 minus 3. Integer. I repeat, integer. Different sign, subtract and put the sign. Now let us check for D for one more value. A3 minus A2. What is A3? This is A1, this is A2, this is A2, and this is A3. So A3 minus 1 minus 1. Same sign, add and put the sign. Okay, so A is equal to, so answer is A is equal to 3 and D is equal to minus 2. That's the answer. Hope you have understood it. We'll be going to the next question. What's our next question? The second question of exercise 5.1, question number 4. Okay, let's see. The question is telling me which of the following are APs. Which of the following are? So that means I need to check for the AP. If they form an AP, find the common difference and write 3 more. Write 3 more. So what is that supposed to be? I have got a progression like A1, A2, A3, A4 goes on like this. Okay. Now, if you look at my first question is, it is 2, 4, 8, 16 goes on. Now, in this, my first term is what? A is equal to 2. Okay, kids, do not get confused with this A1 and A. Okay, so this is the first finding. Now, the second finding is common difference. D is equal to, what do I know about D? D has to be A2 minus A1. And if I want to check that is this a AP, I need to even get one more D. That is A3 minus A2. Substitute. What is A2? A2 is, let's see. What is A2? A2 is 4. What is A3? A3 is 8. And what is A1? A1 is 2. So A2 is what? 4 minus 2. And that is 2. And what is A3? A3 is 8. 8 minus 4. That is equal to 4. That means this D, over here I am getting 2 and over here I am getting 4. So therefore, this is not an AP. I need not do anything further because once I know that it is not an AP, so there is no need of finding. Yes, in case if it is an AP, then I need to find the 3 more term. Okay, let's see. I will just solve one more question in this so that the concept is clear for you. Okay, I will take on the 5th question. The 5th question, why I'm doing it? Because it has got root 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2, A1, A2, A3, A4. What is the first thing? The first thing is the first term. The first term is nothing else but A. So A is equal to 3. Done. Now the second thing I need to check, is it an AP or not an AP? So D is equal to A2 minus A1. And let me keep one more thing, A3 minus A2. If they are common, then I will take it further. A2, what is A2? 3 plus root 2 minus 3. And over here it is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 plus root 2. Let's solve it. 3 and 3 get cancelled. So D for me, I'm getting this over here as root 2. So let me solve this. I will draw a line. Okay. So this is going to be 3 plus 2 root 2. Sign gets in. So this changes everything. Now I'm going to solve this. This gets cut off. 2 root 2 minus root 2 is what? 1 root 2. And that 1 root 2 is nothing. I can even write that as 2. So D is root 2 root 2. That means I'm clear. Now I need to write further 3 more. What is this term for me? A4. A4 plus root 2. A5 plus root 2. And A6 plus root 2. What is A4? A4 is 3 plus 3 root 2 plus root 2. And what will that be? The answer for this will be, I will just write it above here. 3 plus 1, 4 root 2. Now this 3 plus 4 root 2, I'm going to write here. 3 plus 4 root 2 plus root 2. What will I get? 3 plus 5 root 2. And again A6, 3 plus 5 root 2 plus root 2. What will I get? 3 plus 6 root 2. Hope you have understood it. It's very clear. I want you to solve all the other questions and send it to me on my WhatsApp. Okay? Please practice. Practice is the only thing which will help you to master your subject. All right? Chalo. Have a lovely day. Enjoy. Take care. And do share across with your friends because they also want to get good marks and they also want to be a math magician. Thank you. Bye-bye.